friends, let's make this aesthetic and cute rose clip, and making it is pretty simple, so let's see how to make it. So you need to take a crepe paper and cut it in 5 cm and do the processes as shown in the video. Watch it carefully. Completing the whole process, you need to just roll it. And tie it with the help of a thread, or you can also use a rubber band. Ready. Now, just cut the extra thread with the help of the scissors. Cut the extra piece from the flower. Now it's totally ready. Just take the clip and attach it with the help of glue. It's better if you use hot glue gun. Attach a small bead for more beautiful look. And then I have attached these white flowers, and these are available in local market. Also, the small flowers can be made at home. Let me know if you want a tutorial how to make these small cute flowers at home. And our DIY clip